Hi, can you introduce yourself, please?
I'm Gina, 51 years old from Philippines. I'm a widow. I have a one son, 20 years old, still studying in the Philippines right now. And I'm second year college, computer secretarial.
Can you tell me about your work experiences?
Um, I'm taking care of baby from 6 months old to 8 years old. I do marketing, cooking, Chinese food and Western food. I do cleaning, laundry, and ironing the clothes. I bring the kids in the activities and pick up and send to the school bus.
Okay. Why you don't want to renew the contract with your current employer?
Because my employer is due to financial situation.
Okay. What is your preferred holiday?
Sunday?
Are you willing to share work with other helpers?
Yes.
Are you willing to share room with other helpers or kids?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of pets?
Yes, I'm taking care a dog for 8 years here in Hong Kong.
Okay. What will you do if the kid has tantrums?
I will try to talk first, then I asked what you want, what you want or what you want. I give the toys and I try to play first.
What will you do if the kid is sick?
I'll check the temperature first, then I tell to my employer. And if necessary, I call the ambulance.
Okay. What is your message to your new employer?
To my prospective employers, uh, I I hope you choose me because I want to continue my working here in Hong Kong because my son is still studying in college right now. Thank you so much.